Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure Grafana 11.2 on Amazon Linux 2023 EC2 instance. If you want to install Amazon Linux 2023, then go to the link provided in the video description and create the instance. I have already there, so click on services or search for EC2, then click on EC2 instances. See, I have the Amazon Linux EC2 instance. See the description here. If you scroll down, see it is Amazon Linux and AMI is 2023. Okay, so now connect to Amazon Linux 2023 EC2 instance and install Grafana. Click on connect, then paste it, connect it. See, I am on Amazon Linux 2023. Control L to clear screen. Now open new tab. Go to Grafana official website, that is grafana.com. Click on docs, then click on get started with Grafana. Then see here, Grafana helps you collect, correlate and visualize data with beautiful dashboards. The open source data visualization and monitoring solution that drives informed decisions, enhances system performance and streamline troubleshooting. Click on setup, then install Grafana. Grafana supports the following operating systems. Okay, so we have to hardware recommendations, software recommendations. Okay, everything is fine. So click on this RHLR Fedora, then scroll down. See, these are the commands needs to be executed to install. These are by using RPM repository, but we can also install by downloading RPM package. Click on this Grafana download package, select the version, then select the Linux, then scroll down. See here we have the commands for Red Hat, CentOS, RHLR, Fedora. So copy these commands one by one. Go to terminal or command prompt, hit enter. See, it is installing Grafana Enterprise and version is 11.2. See, we have successfully installed Grafana 11.2 because here, see, this is the command for Grafana Enterprise Linux, because here we have selected 11.2 and edition as Enterprise. That's why we have installed Grafana 11.2 Enterprise. So the first step after connecting is we have to reload this one, then we have to enable Grafana server service, then we have to start the Grafana service. First we have to load daemon, copy it, right click, hit enter. Now check the Grafana service, sudo system ctl status Grafana -server, hit enter. See, Grafana service is not started and disabled, so we have to run this command to enable Grafana server service. Select it, hit enter, right click, paste it, hit enter. Now verify again. See, now Grafana service is enabled. Let us start it. Sudo system ctl start Grafana -server, hit enter. We have successfully started. Let us verify again. See, Grafana service is active and it is enabled. Q to quit. Now we have to connect to Grafana. Go to new tab, give the IP of this instance, copy this public IP, go here, give the port number 300, hit enter. If you are unable to connect, we have to create inbound rule for this port. Okay, so see, we are unable to connect. Now go to here, scroll down, click on security, click on this security group, click on edit inbound rules, then click on add rule, then select custom TCP, give the port number 300, then select the my IP, then click on save rule. We have successfully connected. Now refresh this page. The default username for Grafana is admin, password also same. Click on login. Now update the password for admin, or you can skip, but update. Click on submit. See, this is the Grafana site. If you want to see dashboards, you have to click on dashboards. See, I don't have any dashboard. If you want to create connections, see, these are the available data sources. Now search for MySQL or PostgreSQL, anything is fine. Search for MySQL, click on MySQL, click on data sources, click on add data source, then search for MySQL, click on MySQL, then provide the name, then provide host URL. See here, this is, see here we have to provide all the information like host, port number, host or IP, then database name, after schools, can verify, so MySQL -u, root -p, show databases. See, I have database after schools. In your case, provide the database which is available, then provide the username, then provide the password, then you have to click on save and test. Okay, that is the way to connect connection. Click on administration, click on, see here we have the general plugin data, plugins and data, users and access. If you want to get the see plugins, you have to click on plugins. See, we have the number of plugins. Okay, click on administration. If you want to change the password, users, then users. See, I have only one user, that is admin. Still, if you want to change, you have to click on edit user. If you want to set password, you have to click on edit. Okay, if you want to create new user, you have to click on new user. Provide name, provide email ID, provide username, provide password, then you have to click on create user. Okay, I'm going to create new user, r2 admin, r2 admin @ r2schools.com, provide username, r2 admin, provide the password, then click on create user. If you go to users again, see here new user is created. See, we haven't assigned any license role, but the first one, it is admin editor. Okay, if you want to assign, you have to click on edit user. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install and configure Grafana Enterprise 11.2 on Amazon Linux 2023 EC2 instance. For more Grafana or Amazon or cloud videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.